In this video guide, we will give you instructions to get rid of the dangerous pop-up windows that are associated with the website called psaymudriy.com. If you try to analyze what this website is all about, of course, it doesn't make any decent sense. And furthermore, the website psaymudriy.com doesn't display any decent content at all. I mean, initially when you see these pop-ups, they don't display any information worth paying attention to. However, the pop-up displays some misleading message that tries to encourage you into clicking on the allow button. The website says that you need to click the allow button to subscribe to the push notifications and continue watching. There are some other cases when such alerts tell that clicking on allow is for the purpose of age verification, or for proving that you are a human and not a robot, or for some other reasons. Believe me that when people click on the allow button, that's obviously a serious mistake. They will be redirected to some other deceptive sites, and periodically in Windows browsers they may see strange ads popping up in the right corner of the screen. To fix the issue and get rid of these ads, go to the menu, Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and check the Allow area. So you'll find some of these deceptive sites. You need to get rid of them like this. Also, I strongly recommend that you scan your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software and scanning your system with this tool. It will help you to detect the locations of other possible threats on your PC. How to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type. However, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers, or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.